तो सब कुछ है, ना कोई कमी है, तू ही दिल है, तू ही जान भी है. Hi, I'm Juhi Chawla and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. तू खुशी है, आसमां भी है.
Shooting experience in Kashmir.
Varied experiences because it was very pleasant because in Srinagar itself we shot on real locations.
Right.
So when we'd be out on the streets, of course, you know, you had police protection and all just in case anything happened. Nothing happened. The locals would collect and, you know, they recognize Manisha, they know me through films, and they were so happy and excited कि आप आए हैं और shootings क्यों नहीं आती. अब बॉलीवुड में जाके बोलिए तो सही कि और भी आए यहाँ पर शूटिंग करें, हमको कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
You shot in Srinagar?
In Srinagar itself.
Right.
Sometimes we were shooting like a scene where, you know, I'm getting upset with say one of the characters on screen. See, when you know the whole story, you will not misunderstand anything. But sometimes when you say dialogues in isolation, you know, people may misunderstand and think why am I spouting such lines. So sometimes when the dialogues might be something which could be misunderstood, Anirudh would tell us
from a fundamentalist point of view.
Yeah, okay, just drop your volumes please, because there's people standing like, you know, 10-15 feet.
Achha, from that context.
Okay. So that they don't misunderstand. Pata chale kuch unko, you know how when you make a statement and only a part of it is picked up and reported.
Definitely.
It goes all wrong. They don't know the context in which you're speaking. So because, like I said, the character of Megha goes back with, there's anger, there's resentment inside when she goes.
Sure.
Some scenes have a little of that when she vents it out. When you're out in public and shooting, so those times, you know, we'd just be a little careful because
definitely
we didn't want to.
We can understand that. Okay, have you shot shot for any of your other films in Kashmir?
Right in the beginning in Sultanate.
Sultanate, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah.
नजर ने नजर से क्या कहा, मेरी जान ये बता.
कहूँ क्या नजर ने क्या कहा, आती है मुझको हया.
You had an association with Honor, in fact. If we look at your filmography last 10 years, you've been doing different sort of cinema from what you were doing, like the different sort of trees.
Completely different.
1990s. And I think Honor has been a very intrinsic part of your cinema. I think almost all his films you've been part of, be it Bas Ek Pal, be it My Brother Nikhil, and now I Am is there as well. So what is so special about Honor that you...
Well, during My Brother Nikhil, I found him to be a very sensitive, sensible, capable director. You know, like just the way he would explain the scenes to me on the sets to set the mood of the shoot. Then the way he handled the whole subject of My Brother Nikhil is not an easy subject to pick up, to make, and make it in such a way that the audience, I mean, you know, you very easily accept everything that happens on screen. And yet I've had people who came back to me seeing the movie either in the theatre or at some festival or on television. I don't know where they saw it, but for 2-3 years, it would be mentioned back to me, oh, you did that film My Brother Nikhil, it was very nice. And then of course we made Bas Ek Pal, which was kind of different, a little more commercial bent to it.
Right, song and dance. Not dance exactly, but songs.
But
songs.
Yeah,
good music, very good music. Last, I think 10 years, say for example, from 2000 onwards, you've been bracketed as a meaningful actress of meaningful cinema, and you've done a Teen Diware, which has been acclaimed quite a bit. Something about Teen Diware, if you can possibly tell us. Nagesh Kuknur's film.
Actually, that was the very first time that I ever stepped out of my comfort zone. What had become my comfort zone of song, dance, romance, gloss films. Yes, it was Nagesh's film Teen Diwarein. We went down to Hyderabad. That's when I realized entirely new way of working. I had never till then, whatever I'd learned was you have to be pancaked perfectly, properly done up, whatever hairs, each strand is in place.
Right.
You always wear dresses which are like almost show and tell kind of things. And here it was entirely different. It was just very real. They told me, I mean, every time I had even a little, because I'd get uncomfortable, insecure, कि ये क्या कर क्या रहे हैं? What am I doing? Why are they telling me not to put on even anything? So I'd
Right.
and the cameraman would say, your lipstick is showing, please take it off. Things like that would happen. Nagesh would tell me, I'd feel कि मैं कुछ थोड़ा express करूँ, कुछ बोलूँ, कुछ. I'm used to
Right.
acting. And he'd say, please, don't act. Just say the lines. Just say the lines. Don't do anything.
Right.
And I tried to gesticulate and he said, no, please don't move those hands. Those bangles, when they connecti hai na, तो sound में गड़बड़ होती है. It's a sync sound. So I'm like, oh, okay, so he was not supposed to do anything. So
And you have some really fine actors in the film, like Nasiruddin Shah.
fantastic. Nasir ji and Jackie ji was
Right.
there, and Gulshan Grover was there. So it was great because good actors.
Right.
I was like, yes, this is the film I want to do.
मेरी लाइफलाइन देखी, बहुत लंबी है, इतनी जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ।
Very interesting.
Jhankar Beats, fun film, wonderful music and all. But different sort of role for Juhi Chawla once again.
I was playing Shanti, and I'm supposed to be like the big sister of the whole lot, who are going crazy, whether Rahul Bose and his relationship is going all wrong, or the other little young fellow is falling in love.
Shan,
And
she-
yeah, Shan was so lovely in the film, and he's trying to befriend
Riya Singh.
Riya, and he's shy and it can't. Very lovely film, very sunny, happy, and beautiful music.
Right, yeah. And I think music is still remembered. Music is still remembered of that.
तू ही दिल है, तू ही जान भी है, तू खुशी है, आसरा भी है.
One of my favorite all-time numbers is in that film.
Any particular number? in that?
The church one.
Okay. Can you sing?
तू
it for
है
us?
आसमां.
Can you sing it
तेरी-
for us?
तू है आसमां में, तेरी ये ज़मीं है, तू जो है तो सब कुछ है, ना कोई कमी है, तू ही दिल है, तू ही जान भी है, तू खुशी है, आसमां भी है, समथिंग
Fantastic,
आशिकी है.
fantastic. In fact, Juhi Chawla is a classical trained singer.
अरे
And
यार,
we came
मैं
to-
तो ये बोल दिया है तो फिर तो मेरे को फिर से गाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बीच में थोड़ा मिस्टेक हुआ था.
you sang a proper song in Bhutnath, another of your films in this in the decade of 2000. Nice film. People liked your role. People liked the entire cast as well.
Yeah, it did. I think it did exceptionally well on TV. That's how. I mean, I was surprised again because kids recognize me, and they're like, "You're Banku's mommy, na?"
चल जाने दो, अब छोड़ो भी, चलो जाने दो.
अब छोड़ो भी।
Another innings that the association that you've had for the longest period of time is with Shah Rukh Khan. You still remember in many ways as Kaka Kiran. And I'm sure that at that point of time when the movie released, Dar, I'm talking about, you must have, wherever you must have been going, you must be hearing this all the time.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, he made that Kiran world famous. Anywhere he went or I went, I was.
It's still as-
Yeah, it still is.
Right.
Kiran. And again, you don't realize what you're doing while you're making the film. You know, like I wonder if he thought it'll just become so memorable.
Right.
It'll just become like a stamp. But again, I had worked with him in Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman,
Right.
and then, yeah, and then I think the next one was Dar. And that also, it was his first film. It was my fourth, fifth film by then in the industry.
Right,
So
right.
he always says, "Oh, you gave me my break," and I'm like, "Yeah, it's okay."
In fact, in fact, it said that you agreed to do Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman because you felt that the guy looked somewhat like Amir Khan.
I didn't feel, I was told. When I
Okay, you
went
told.
on the sets and I saw Shah Rukh, I realized I'd been cheated. But by then it was too late. I was already in the film.
So what did you saw when you saw Shah Rukh?
I saw thin, scrawny, brown Shah Rukh with the hair which went from here right up to here. So you just saw one fat nose, fat lips, and white shirt, his trademark white shirt. I'm like, that? They told me he looks like Amir Khan from where? So that was our beginning, but amazing. You know, from the word go, he was not at all like a newcomer,
Right.
shy of camera or
He
anything.
was very confident when he started off Deewana and all. He was very, very confident.
Yeah, very confident, full of energy even then, and 20 rehearsals before a shot. Each one he'd be improvising and adding fun things, or you know.
The song in Dar, Jadoo Teri Nazar, I think at that point of time it was such a huge hit.
जादू तेरी नजर खुशबू तेरा बदन तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू है मेरी किरण तू है मेरी किरण
That was, yeah, one of my biggest years in the industry when Hame Rai also released in that year, and Dar also came along the same time, and so it just gave me, gave me great height. Suddenly I was
Definitely.
flying.
Yes, Boss, if you're talking about another fantastic musical. I think amazing music, and I think people still remember many of the songs and hum those songs. I think Abhijit had some beautiful songs in that particular film.
सुनिए तो रुकिए तो क्यों है खफा अरे कहिए तो
How was the experience of Yes, Boss?
With Aziz ji, again, it was Raju Ban Gaya, then Yes Boss, and then further on. He's a wonderful person. He's a literary person, so very well read, very well informed, and what he kind of make me realize on the sets is that you don't just throw your lines, you express them correctly. The way we speak Hindi is not nice at all. We think in English and just say our lines.
Sure.
Just he'd bring a lot of meaning, and he'd make these very warm films.
Right.
His films exude a lot of good humor. People are grey, and you just love each character. So I had a great time. Again, it was Aziz ji, who I really like as a director. Shah Rukh, who keeps you, if there's tension on the set, काम ठीक से नहीं हो रहा है या कुछ चीजें नहीं आई हैं या क्या हो गया, वो Shah Rukh आएगा तो he will diffuse the whole situation with his take on it, and everything will happen. But one grievance I have against, I think, well, not so much Amir, but Shah Rukh, in every film that I've done with him, somehow he'd be singing all the best songs. Really?
But they're on you, in fact. The songs are about
He
you.
would sing to me, but he was singing the songs. When I had to go for stage performances abroad and all, he had a bank of so many songs. I'm like, which do I begin with?
Right.
How do I come onto stage with everything is a duet? Or it was his song.
Right.
So I always used to face a crunch.
I think Gungat pe you must have had a ball because that was your number.
जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर सिंगार अधूरा रहता है घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का
I think during the shooting of Duplicate, if I'm not mistaken, in 1998, I think your mother passed
आप
away
मेरे
in
मतलब
Prague.
पूरी क्या बिब्लियोग्राफी शुरू कर, पूरी ऑटोबायोग्राफी, बायोग्राफी सब मेरे कवर कर रहे हैं ना.
Ma'am, we are trying
मतलब
to.
अगले 10 साल तक अगर इंटरव्यू नहीं हुई तो भी this
No, actually, it's basically we have a segment called Down the Memory Lane. So it's we just.
डाउन मेमोरी रेंज चले गए. मैं ऑनियर को बताऊंगी कि हम लोग आयाम की बातें करने
No, but
उसके बाद हमने सब कुछ बाकी डिस्कस कर लिया.
we have spoken about I am as well. It's not as if that we've not spoken about I am.
Okay.
You know, but what happens is generally that I am is already there. It's on your T-shirt all the time. And
हमने
apart from
नहीं
that, yeah. and-
दो एग्जाम्स थे हमारे इस महीने, so हमने एक टी-शर्ट पे दोनों डाल दिए.
right. And it's the face that comes across which matters. People relate to it, that inki film aa rahi hai and that kind of stuff. If you only talk about the film, people tend to get a bit
Yeah, then maybe okay.
right. Yeah, in 1998, I believe your mother passed away. I think in a car accident in Prague, if I'm not mistaken. And I think Shah Rukh stood by you big time at the point of time.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, we'd gone for shooting, and it happened the very next day when we were busy filming, and she went missing, and then I realized what had happened. And I won't go into it much because if I think about it, also I can be crying and all that.
Shah Rukh, I think Knight Riders, the association that you've had, you joint owners of Kolkata Knight Riders, and the team seems to be doing well this time around. 3 out of 6, not bad at all, and a good set of players. Gambhir, good captain. So things are looking up for you guys.
We're really hoping so. I'd wait and see, but yes, I hope this time we're up on the chart, somewhere up.
You know, there are a couple of other films of yours which I personally feel you have come across as a very fine actress. One is Bol Radha Bol, a commercial success, and your performance was appreciated quite a bit.
Yes, it was a fantastic script actually. It was, and I had some hilarious scenes, especially in the village park.
तारा तोड़ो ना दिल हमारा हाँ तू तारा तोड़ो ना दिल हमारा.
And Deewana Mastana as well. It was a fun film.
अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है?
बस अभी क्या बताऊं नेहा जी, मेरे हिसाब से तो इनके अंदरूनी जख्म है ना, वो अभी तक भरे नहीं है.
तो फिर आपको और आराम करना चाहिए था ना.
नहीं, अभी तो मैं ठीक हूँ.
Actually, my first hero is not Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan. It is David Dhawan. I've done Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi with
Yeah.
him and Swarg, and so lovely film Swarg. It wasn't one of his
Right.
funny movies.
Right.
It was more emotional, but very
Govinda.
fine. Yes.
In fact, we spoke to Govinda day for yesterday, and he said one of his best films is Swarg as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely performance from him. A very nice film, in fact.
भगवान के लिए भैया को गलत मत समझना, उनकी बात का बुरा मत मानना, वो तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करते हैं.
हाँ देखा, बहुत प्यार करते हैं मुझसे.
कृष्णा, ये क्या हो रहा है?
One more film of yours which I personally felt was very interesting was Arjun Pandit. You had shades of grey in that film.
आप सब कुछ में रिसर्च करके आए हैं क्या?
I've
होमवर्क
seen
बड़ा
that film.
तगड़ा है आपका.
I've seen that film personally. So I always thought that whenever I meet you, I'll speak about that film because it had shades of grey. Very interesting performance from your side.
Right, and again, it was a interesting screenplay.
Right.
It is one of my favorite films. So I really enjoyed doing that film.
तुम सिर्फ मेरे कपड़े पहनने का ढंग बदल कर दिखाओ. जीना बनना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. मेरा जो जी चाहेगा मैं वही करूंगी. जो जी चाहेगा मैं वही पहनूंगी. मैं ये पहनूंगी, मैं ये पहनूंगी, मैं ये भी पहनूंगी, मैं ये सब पहनूंगी. क्या कर लोगे तुम?
Juhi Chawla, what are your forthcoming plans after I Am and Kolkata Knight Riders IPL 4? Hopefully you'll be the winners this time around.
मैं चुप रहूंगी.
Fingers crossed.
और अगर ऐसा कुछ हो गया तो फिर मैं डांस करूंगी. मगर अभी मैं चुप रहूंगी. I just did shoot a film called My Krishna Hoon last year,
Right.
which is with a lot of kids, and it has an animated Bal Krishna in it as well.
Okay.
So it's along the lines of Ganesha 1, Ganesha 2. In fact, the director is the same.
Okay.
He'd made the Ganesha series, and it's definitely for kids up to 10, 11, 12 years old. They will enjoy it. It's a very sweet, adventurous little.
Your daughter will like it, in fact.
Yeah, I mean, I took her for Ganesha 3. And she thoroughly enjoyed it, and she was like, "When are we getting the DVD? When are we getting the DVD?" So that's how I agreed to be a part of My Krishna.
Right. What are the sort of films that you'd like to do from here on?
Honestly, for me, the spectrum is wide open. Whether it's a comedy or it's a mainstream commercial film, but with a interesting role in it. I mean, I've done a Bhootnath, I've done Luck by Chance.
That was a fantastic performance. Luck by Chance was fantastic. Both Rishi Kapoor and your I think chemistry was it was hilarious in fact.
पंडित जी ओके ओके करते रहते हैं. कितनी बार कहा है इनसे 5 आपका लकी नंबर है. मुहूर्त 5 को करिए.
Finally, I believe you're also a producer on I Am. You've been helping out.
We're back to I Am. Anir, we're back to I Am.
We are back to Anir. How are you, Anir? Fantastic. So I believe you've been a producer on I Am as well. It's a different sort of strategy that you guys have had on this film.
Yes, actually, when Anir started the film, he didn't come to me with the role.
Right.
He had no role for me. He just said, I need money and I need your money. So I was like, what? So he said, now I'm going to go on Facebook, on the network sites. I'm going to put out my proposal and ask people if they believe in it to contribute. And, you know, in the credits, I'll put it down. And because of my previous experience with Anir, I said, fine. You know, I'd come on board, invest in it also.
Right.
Because I knew that Anir is not going to disappear with money or anything. No fraud is going to happen like that. And also it makes people believe in him. You know, it just lends credibility because at least they know me for many, many films. So they can believe that if I have also put it in, then it's safe.
Finally, Juhi Chawla, we have a small request. Any of your songs, if you would please hum it for us. Any of your songs.
एक दिन आप यूं हमको मिल जाएंगे, फूल ही फूल राहों में खिल जाएंगे, मैंने सोचा न था.
Fantastic,
Chalo,
fantastic.
something like this.
So that was Juhi Chawla, and she's just spoken about her next film, I Am. We've also went on a bit of a down the memory lane about her, some of the finest films that she has done, starting from Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, Ishq, Dar, Yes Boss, Arjun Pandit, and also the kind of films that she's been doing in the last 10 years, stuff like Teen Diwarein, My Brother Nikhil, Bas Ek Pal, and Jankar Beats and others. And I've been watching Juhi Chawla films for many years now, and I think, like me, many others have had a certain image about her. Clean, sophisticated, classy, and funny. And when you meet her, that's exactly what you get. Thank you very much, Juhi Chawla.
Okay,
Wonderful
thank
to have
you.
you on
Thank
Bollywood
you.
And all the best wishes for Night Riders.
Night
I Am,
Riders and I Am, don't know.
and all your other ventures.
Thank you so much, and good luck to you too.
Thank you very much. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.